Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce data transfer costs with Dropbox easy tutorial step by step clearly. To reduce data transfer costs with Dropbox, start by optimizing file sizes. Use file compression tools to reduce the size of documents before uploading. Consider converting large files into more efficient formats, such as PDFs for documents or JPEG for images. Set up selective sync to only store necessary files on your device. Access your Dropbox account and navigate to the Preferences menu. Choose the Sync tab, then select Selective Sync. Deselect the folders you do not need on your device to save bandwidth. Utilize Dropbox Smart Sync feature to keep files online only until needed. This keeps files stored in the cloud and prevents excessive data use. Monitor your bandwidth usage regularly through your internet service provider. Identify any patterns in data consumption linked to Dropbox. Use shared links instead of transferring files directly for better control over data transfer. This method allows users to download only what they need. Set link expiration dates to control file access and limit unnecessary downloads. Consider using Dropbox File Requests feature to receive files directly. This minimizes unnecessary uploads and keeps data transfer efficient. Disable automatic camera uploads if you don't need to back up photos immediately. This can help you manage and reduce data transfer during uploads. Always ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi when uploading or syncing large files. This will help avoid additional mobile data charges. Regularly clean up your Dropbox account by deleting files you no longer need. This helps reduce clutter and prevents unnecessary data transfers. Lastly, review your Dropbox storage plan to ensure it meets your usage needs. Choosing the right plan can help avoid unexpected costs due to overages. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.